we will learn how to create activity and do estimation work in ERP. This video will be both in Hindi and English. Let's start. Under Project Engineering module, we have our form Project WBS. Here we will create our activities and then do our estimation work. So first field is project name. We will select our project name. We have already created our project and sub-project name from ERP admin. Delhi Heights is our project 1 and SP1 is my sub-project. Then I have a parent also. I am selecting my parent ID. How parent will work? It will be my main heading and under it I will be creating my subheadings. So under civil work I will be creating one heading which will be finishing works. I will give some WBS ID. Now under civil work I have finishing work. Under finishing work I will create my activities. We have to give some unique activity ID 0.1, 1.2, 1.3. I will create 3 activities now. First will be my internal wall plaster work. Then I will have ceiling plaster work. Then external plaster work. Okay, if any detailed description we can mention here. Then we will write our quantity 2500 external plaster of 3400 square feet. Here it is coming as for the unit. My unit will be square meter. Here these columns are little squeezed up. We can use edit button if we want. Then we have its lump sum rate. This is not exact rate, this is the lump sum rate which we get in BOQ. So I will write 275, 295 for my ceiling, and external plaster takes around 625 per square meter. Now it is asking for days. For internal plaster I will keep my days 10 days, 5 days, 15 days. This is my scheduling work. After this I will go and save my entry. After saving this entry, as you know, ERP works on maker checker concept. I will approve it. After saving every entry, it comes in summary. So here it is showing our finishing work. We will just approve it. After approving this form, all these 3 activities get created with unique activity code. Now in second form, in a duplicate tab, I have opened my next form, which is WBS activity. Here every unique activity with its unique activity code gets reflected. From here we can do resource estimation.